If you want to have a decent career, make you good money, support your family, have toys, nice things, getting in the trades would be the thing to do. Yeah, the ironworkers will put the foundation, the reinforcement steel in the concrete, then we'll set the steel, put the roof on, trusses, and we'll sheet the buildings.
Place the structure beams and floors and plants, set new beams, new columns.
And we'll do maintenance work inside plants. You can work at schools, powerhouses, nuke plants, bridges, whatever there's a structure, whatever there's steel needed, that's where we'll be.
It didn't take no time at all. Just log on to wvtrades.org. I fit out the application. It was probably about a week, and then he called me out to go work.
You come down and get an application at the hall, then you have to take drug tests, and depending on work, whether you go right to work or not, then you start your apprenticeship program.
You just had to have a high school diploma. During your interview, show them that you're the right kind of worker that would fit in.
They sent me out. It was within a week I had a job, and I was working full time.
Yeah, so within a week of applying, I was on job, making money.
Ironworking has changed my life drastically. I worked at fast food, so you didn't have to work that hard. Now I work hard every day. I feel like I've earned my pay every day. It's a good feeling knowing that you earned every penny you worked for today.
Wouldn't have been comfortable with moving out and getting a house and getting married because I don't think I would have been able to support me and my wife. Now I'm very confident. I've been doing it for over a year now.
Well, you have a great annuity. You pay in $5.30 an hour in your annuity. You have 90/10 benefits, or health insurance. You have dental, eye, vision. You have great retirement. Everything that you want in a career is right here.
It's help provide health care, benefits, which is taking care of my wife and my kids, and it's moving me forward to a point where I'm able to provide for them the things I didn't have growing up.
We have a pension plan based on how many hours a year you work, and an annuity that takes $5 an hour that you work, vision benefits, dental, 90/10 insurance plan. You don't have to worry about your retirement. I mean, it's just a lot less worry. You get a good name for yourself. It's not hard to find work. You make good money. Got good insurance. I was able to buy a nice truck with the money that I make and, not have to worry about so much. And I know at the end of it, I got retirement to count on. That's one less thing to worry about. I don't have to worry about the insurance coming out of my pocket every month. It's a good feeling.
For the ironworkers, it's a 4-year apprenticeship program. You learn in the classroom, in the shop, and on the job sites.
Yeah, we get all kinds of certifications. That's what the apprenticeship training is. They give you certifications, get you certified in everything you need for a job.
Like welding or tying rebar, you have to have that hands-on experience, which they provide here.
You don't have to pay for any of the training. All the training's included with the job.
I'm down here training on whatever you need to get good at. Today we're learning how to use the transit and be able to shoot grade and heights, say like piers and stuff when you're setting rebar, helping teach me. Getting experience out there, just doing it.
The ironworkers provide you get certifications in like first aid, OSHA certification, man lift certifications, fork truck certifications. They provide just about every certification we need to do our job.
Oh, that's the best thing in the world. I get to just see an empty space, go to work every day and come back and there's a building there and I get to drive past and show my wife, show my friends, hey, that was me. And I like the hard work. I don't know, it makes you feel like you've earned more.
Proud. It makes me really proud to know that the work I do is used every day. I mean, it's just, I'm proud of that.
I'd tell them right away, come down, get signed up, do it, it's worth it.
I would ask them if they were tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wanted to make some real money for their family.
Don't be afraid of the hard work. That's the best way to get more work for yourself. Ones that show up on time, ones that put in the effort, work the way you would want somebody to work for you.
It's looking out for your future. When you go to retire, you'll have the health care, you'll have the benefits, you'll have the retirement.
If you want to join the construction trades, log on to wvtrades.org.